What you're looking at here is the set of lavatory and mirror. The mirror and the lavatory with cabinet is 12,181.60. So in here, the cabinet underneath your sink. The fittings are included for the drain and the cabinet, but not the faucet. But the mirror is included. So the two-piece is 12,181. Another one here. That is a cabinet with mirror, and this is the lavatory with cabinet. The set cost 21,443. So that's the cabinet underneath the lavatory. So this is the Posey set cabinet, mirror, and the one not included with the price, you have to think it's the faucet. The faucet you have to buy separately, and this is part of the lavatory set available here in Posey, from Posey in Wilcon. So you got the mirror, you got a two-door cabinet, and the lavatory included a cabinet on the bottom. There, it opens like this. Now another type here is like a stand with the lavatory and mirror. The faucet again is not included, so this is the mirror and this is the lavatory stand. It's like a furniture with two drawers on the bottom and a space there to put things in for 27,175. Now they got the other lavatory system. The faucet is not included, although they price it there at 1,072. But this design from Posey is 3,000 pesos, 3,010 pesos. The square one here is 3,080, and this one is 2,041. The simple round one was a price gung. So they just arrived yesterday, so she hasn't, they're waiting for the price. But this one here, like a shell, is 2,792, and this one, another lavatory, is 2,701. I'll be showing you more of the set because that's what you're looking for. This is another set. Lavatory with mirror with cabinet on the side. There. The faucet is not included, but the basin, the lavatory sink, you can see, is quite big. This one is 19,175. Two-door cabinet on the bottom. And there, ang fittings apil na. O pasad. So the faucet and the fittings are not included. It's only the cabinet, the mirror, and the lavatory. Ang kani. This set is 15,431. That's 14,515. Lavatory, mirror, and cabinet set. I'll be showing you lavatory prices. The square one there, not including The faucet, that's 2755. This one is 1214. This one with the draining on that side is 1505, and a simple round one here on the bottom that you can see with no lift, just splashed in on a counter is 1212. This big square one, not including the faucet fittings, is 4165. So here is the half pedestal with soap holder. That's 5064. Another half pedestal without the soap holder is 4841. This is a different design. That one's quite squarish. That one's got a lipping. That one you can see is squarish, and this one got a lipping. Now we'll look at some of the lavatories here. And the set like this with the lavatory, mirror, and cabinet is 24,907. So it's got a cabinet on the side, the mirror with shelves, and the lavatory with a cabinet. So you can see the cabinet and the drain there. And these are some of the other lavatory design. This is a square one 2020, a round one for 2037, a square like basin type 2824. Now you can see this artistic type like rectangular, that's 3286. That's 2214.